Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Bali mood filter using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure to plus 0.87. Contrast to plus 39. Highlights to minus 19. Shadows to minus 43. White to plus 15. Blacks to plus 28. Next go to the color panel. Vibrance to plus 19. Saturation to plus 2. And then go to color mix. First go to red. Hue to minus 32. Saturation to minus 22. Luminance to minus 10. Next go to orange. Hue to minus 13. Saturation to minus 29. Luminance to minus 21. Next go to yellow. Hue to plus 38. Saturation to plus 57. Next go to green. Hue to minus 90. Saturation to minus 98. Luminance to plus 94. Next go to light blue. Hue to plus 7. Saturation to plus 48. Adjust luminance to minus 18. Next go to dark blue. Hue to minus 22. Saturation to minus 1. Next go to pink. Hue to plus 70. and done. Next go to Effect panel. Clarity to +13. Vignette to -15. Midpoint to 30. Feather to 88. Roundness to -32. Go to split toning. Shadows, H2, 231, and S, to 21. Done. Next go to Detail. Sharpening to 13. Noise reduction to 7. Color noise reduction to 7. And finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.